this Sport Fest, we just want to be able to build camaraderie, friendship among people, but also to remind everyone that being healthy is important. When I was trying to come, I was on about the color of the shirt that I should wear. So I look into my wardrobe, I look for a different shirt. I think I have all the colors here, and I hope the black and white out here does not indicate any preference. Yellow here, red here, white here. So I have all the colors.
A proud participant in the 2025 IITA Sportsfest solemnly pledge to uphold all the rules and guidelines sent forth by the organizers.
This is my first Sportsfest, so I'm quite excited. I'm going to be running, I'm going to be swimming, I'm going to be playing football. So I'm looking forward to competing with some of you.
Because you see, I was not really expecting to see you there.